So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have a true privilege to introduce to you this stunning 1969 Chevy Corvette convertible. And this Corvette comes to us benefiting from an extensive restoration. The car is a true Monza Red over red vinyl. So it's a beautiful color combination with that black top, gives it a rich appearance, has all the factory stainless and chrome trim, riding on those awesome Chevy Rally wheels wrapped in the Redline tires and those cool sounding side pipes. The paint on this car is excellent, shines very well, little to no orange peel. Find an excellent interior. No stone unturned on this restoration of this 1969 Corvette. But it's not just a great looking Corvette, it's a great driving one. So we'll grab the other cameras, we'll go for a test drive. There's nothing like the sound of a nice pair of sight pipes. Oh, how all Corvettes should be. We'll see through. Okay, well, I got my door closed. We're ready to take a test drive in that beautiful 1969 Chevy Corvette convertible.
Absolutely.
And that 350 fires right up just like it should. It is a little cold-blooded. It doesn't have a choke on the carburetor. So it's a little warm out. I'm gonna turn that functional factory AC on. The 350's backed by the numbers matching 4-speed transmission. The transmission and the clutch feel very good, nice and tight. And that 350, I mean, pulls the car effortlessly.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it does benefit from some upgrades, headers,
aluminum radiator, Holley carburetor. Yeah, it's had some bolt-on goodies. Presents very factory-esque underneath it, so.
Does.
Yeah, it still has the like shielding across the distributor and the wires. But it is a beautiful car. I mean, the red on red color combo is a very classy color combo on these C3s. It is the factory color combo on this car.
Yeah, it's a factory Monza Red car.
Factory red vinyl.
Yeah.
Black vinyl soft top. Which if we had it our way, I mean, that top would be down. But yeah. You guys want to hear us, so. It runs and drives and handles extremely well. And you can tell it's had an extensive restoration.
And it definitely had an extensive restoration.
Yeah, it presents as such. It's a great example of these C3 Corvettes, especially the chrome bumper cars. I mean, that's kind of like the peak for these C3s.
Yeah. We're doing about 60 miles per hour. It's turning about 2,700 RPMs. A little bit of like tire shimming.
Yeah, you feel a little bit of
tires are.
Yeah. I think about looking, they're about 10 years old.
But still, you're straight hands off the wheel, straight down the road.
Speaking of tires, the Redline's look awesome on this car.
It does. All my gauges appear to be working.
Yep.
Temperature, fuel, even the clock.
Yeah, the clock is keeping time
pressure.
Yeah. Does have an updated retro, I don't know if it's retro sound or something, but it has a late model aftermarket stereo.
Wipers work just like they should. I haven't tried the radio. I want to try the radio. Radio works.
Yep. Works very well.
Going around the roundabout. And this interior is excellent condition.
Oh,
Such
absolutely.
a beautiful interior.
It is.
It's a striking car. I mean, there's a couple flaws on the exterior, but they are extremely minor, and you have to really look for them.
Yeah.
But we're gonna let that 350 breathe a little bit. 60.
Yeah. Let's say you back in the seat.
Yeah.
The side pipes sound awesome, don't they?
They do. It's such a great sound. There's nothing.
Yeah.
You do have a little bit of wind noise.
I do too. Yeah, I mean, kind of what you'd expect from this area. I do have I can see daylight between my window and the top seal.
I can too.
Yeah, I can see a little bit to the side ears too. So,
And like Tyler said,
what you'd expect from a C3 convertible.
I would not care for a radio in this car. Top down.
No.
Listen to the side pipes.
Absolutely.
And the exterior of this car is stunning.
It is a beautiful example of these cars. The rally wheels, Redline tires, and that red on red with side pipes. I mean, that's such a great look on these cars. And the paint, the reflection of paint is very nice. I mean, the paint on this job, the paint job on this car is a nice paint job.
And you got power steering, power brakes, AC, telescoping steering.
Yep.
So, I mean, it's an easy driving car.
Very nicely optioned car.
Yes. So if you're in the market for a Corvette or a classic sports car, you know, you definitely wouldn't be disappointed with this car.
Not at all.
So stay tuned for the walk-around inspection. Like, we're going to point out a couple things, but they are minor, and you have to get right on top of this car to see them. So stay tuned. So now that we're done with the test drive portion of the video, we'll get right into the inspection portion of this beautiful 1969 Chevy Corvette convertible. And we'll start here with the driver's side windshield. Is nice and clean, free from any major defects, no chips, no cracks. Your stainless surround is in excellent condition, shines very nicely. I'm not seeing any dents on this side. There might be just a very, very minor little ding right there. And then coming down to the driver's side portion of the front fender area, your Stingray emblem's in very good condition. So are the vent trims. And the paint throughout shows very well, with very little to no orange peel. I mean, that reflection is very clean.
Absolutely. It's extremely crisp throughout.
So we do have just a minor little flaw here in the paint.
Everything we show you on this car is going to be very minor. You got to be right up on the car to even notice it.
And all four of your wheels, center caps, and beauty rings are in very good condition. Wrapped in those awesome Redline tires. The driver's side half of the hood, nice and clean, no cracks. Same with your headlight cover and the front fascia area. Your front bumper is in very good condition, shows very nice. And I would think all the chrome was either redone or replaced during the restoration. We do have real, and I don't know if Tyler's going to be able to show it, but a real slight raise in the paint right there.
There's a couple little cracks in the paint there.
There's, throughout here, there's a little bit of
sanding scratches.
Yeah, from the prep work before paint.
So you got to catch that in just the right light.
I mean, this stuff is so minor
and nitpicky.
Yeah, we got kind of a little flaw in the paint there that's
going to be
not
hard
very
to show on the
noticeable,
camera. There is kind of throughout the passenger side of the hood, you do have some fish eyes in the paint.
And then there's a
little defect, and
there's a little bit of a defect right here too in the paint. So coming down to the passenger side front fender area, nice and clean. Emblem, your trim, all in very good condition. Same with the front tire and wheel. Coming to the passenger side of the windshield, very clean, very good condition. Same with the windshield surround. We've got some real minor markings there. Coming into the passenger side door.
We have one little
crack in the paint there.
But the rest of the paint's excellent throughout on the door.
Both of your side pipe covers are in very good condition.
Yeah,
Show
nice and
very
bright.
little age or wear. Same with your mirrors. Your passenger side glass is in excellent condition. And the passenger side of the vinyl top is in very good condition. And coming in the interior, you find an excellent restored red vinyl interior.
Yeah, I mean, your door panel is in excellent condition throughout. And this knit portion here looks very clean. You do have a little bit of age on your door handle here, just starting. But your door jambs in very good condition. Threshold plates nice and clean. And a lot of care has been taken getting in and out of the Corvette. Carpet and floor mats are in excellent condition. We'll get that floor mat flipped around. It's on upside down. But your dash is nice and straight and clean. No warps, no warping, no cracks. Passenger seat has plenty of padding to it. Vinyl's in excellent condition. Your storage area, the carpet's all nice and clean. Of course, you have some added speakers back there. And your center console is in excellent condition. Same with your gauge cluster, updated stereo. And the frame and the interior of your soft top is in excellent condition.
Coming back outside, passenger side rear quarter area. That reflection is just so nice and crisp.
Absolutely.
No breaks in the fiberglass. Not really seeing anything to note. Nice clean wheel. Your back plastic windows in very good condition, nice and clear. Across the what is kind of your trunk area. It's very plain.
Still have your protective flap.
And then come across the back, both your bumperettes are in excellent condition. You have kind of a flaw in the chrome right there, but all your taillights are nice and clear.
Your license plate surround is nice and bright.
Yes.
Showing no age. You do have a little star-shaped crack underneath that taillight lens.
And coming around the driver's side, we do have a couple.
Very nitpicky touch-ups.
Yeah, and there's a couple here that are covered up by the top. Very, very minor touch-ups. But your driver's side quarter area is in very good condition. Not really seeing any other things to note.
No.
The driver's door, again, is very good condition. Same with the driver's side pipe cover, mirror. Driver's door glass, excellent condition. And a very good vinyl top on the passenger side.
Driver's side door panel. Again, in very good condition. Brightworks a little cleaner on this side than on the passenger side. Factory trim tags intact and the door jamb. Again, threshold plate is in excellent condition. Carpet and floor mat on this side are both excellent. Steering wheel and column are both in very good condition. You have a couple little chips around the horn ring, but not bad. Driver's seat has plenty of padding, no heavy wear to note. Flip the seat forward. Get a better view of that rear compartment. Again, the shifter, your boot, I mean, all this is in excellent condition.
Coming back outside into the engine compartment, you see a great 350. A very nicely clean engine compartment.
Absolutely.
Had a couple little upgrades you can notice, like the aluminum radiator.
Your Headman headers.
Yeah. So we'll go ahead and fire up this beautiful Corvette and show you some lights working.
This small block 250 car is right up. Looks like it's good. No weird noises, no knocks or anything. I'll show you some lights working. There's your headlights, your brights, driver side turn signal, passenger side turn signal. So there's no lights going back down. Race sound come out of those side pipes. So there's your running lights, your brake lights, driver side turn signal, passenger side turn signal, and your reverse lights. All your lights work just as they should.
So if you're in the market for a stunning C3 Corvette, you definitely don't want to miss out on this car. Rock South Motorsports.